So what's up, YouTube? Today I got Amelia with me. I'm sure you guys have seen her all over the internet on my channel, flying around in my Christian Eagle. So I guess this would be a good chance for you guys to ask her questions or talk, or we can kind of get to know her more.
My name's Amelia. I'm 5.
Hi.
I fly in the Christian Eagle and do aerobatics. I like taking off. It's like very, very fast. I was been flying when I was a baby. Like when I was in the Comanche. Yeah, I like holding onto the stick and do a barrel. I like to do loop-de-loops. And I like to do upside downs and 4-point rolls and 5 rolls and I like doing turn. I like doing that.
That hammerhead?
I like doing the hammerhead.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my favorite kind of thing. My dad lets go of the stick, and I can do it on my own.
Wow.
I like having time with my mom, and having time at the airport, like riding my bikes and scooters. I just like going to the pool sometimes in summer. I like doing all of that. Even spending time with my dad. He's a grandpa.
How was Oshkosh?
It was amazing. I just love the firework wall and the fireworks. I just love it. I wish we can go to this year.
Why not?
I want to go to Oshkosh. It's amazing. I want to see it again.
So we're gonna go to Reno this year.
Yeah, I don't know what Reno looks like, but I want to go see it. Because I hope it's big like Oshkosh.
Almost.
It is. And I want to, and we're gonna get an RV, and we're gonna see Jim, and we're gonna see all of the airplanes I never looked at before. And I saw an airplane has the propeller in the back and spikes on the front wings, and it has a lot of wings.
What's your favorite airplane?
The Christian Eagle and the Comanche.
Do you have any other favorite?
Piper Cub.
Pepper Cup? You like that?
Yeah, it's huge. I like stepping in and like taking off and like seeing around because I was kind of small. I couldn't see out the window. I'm gonna be a Thunderbird pilot, and we thought of them last night. They were awake all night. They were up all morning. We didn't even saw them, and I saw them.
You saw the thunder?
Yeah.
Where?
By our house on our way home.
Oh, they were flying?
Yes, they were.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were.
Which Thunderbird do you want to be?
Number 1, the leader.
You want to be the leader? Why do you want to be the leader?
Because I don't want to be like number 6. I want to be number 1.
Okay.
If somebody's sick, I can take theirs. Yeah, I like seeing all different airplanes, riding my bike. I just like having a lot of time over here. And I like the big airplanes, small ones, like the 747 or 787 or 737, because it's a Boeing. And the 747 is a Boeing as well. And then the 757. I like F-16s and F-22s and F-15s. I like all the Jets start with F. I like studying about airplanes and coloring them inside the lines. Because I did that once when it was when we had our meeting, our flying meeting. So I was gonna bring it so they know when I fly. Like this person go right behind me. And I saw a B1B at Oshkosh. It was loud. Very, very, very loud.
Was it cool?
Yeah. It had other airplanes right next to it. And we saw P-51s. And at the valley, we saw a jet.
What about camping at Oshkosh? Did you like that?
I love it. I just love my sleeping bag. So fluffy.
Your sleeping bag?
Yeah, my sleeping bag. It glows. It has little dragonflies, fireflies.
What about the tent?
Tent? It was huge.
You like sleeping in the tent?
Yeah, I love tents. Even we had a sleep up cushion. We had a little cushion, and it's made out of air. It's made out of air. It's like a little bed sheet, and we have a sheet on by it. And we I had a really fun time at Oshkosh. I like the fireworks and the airplanes that glow up in the night. I really love that. And I really love it. That was my favorite. Can't wait to go to Reno. Because it's going to be super fun. I can't wait to go in my sleeping bag again. We were probably going to go in a hotel. I just don't know. And it's an 8-hour drive. And I don't know if we're going to see Brittany there. The airplane Brittany. We have two Brittany's.
Who's Brit?
There's like a other Brittany is one of Mommy's friends. And there's like 642. 642. And the sixth one, she's my friend.
Do your other friends fly?
They don't.
No?
It's only me.
Why not?
Because they don't really have. Some of my friends don't really have my dad. They don't really have a dad to fly with. So my sisters, all three of them fly.
Yeah.
Yep, and my half sister, she's afraid of heights. Really. I mean, I'm not joking.
What about Piper?
She's not, but she does go to sleep in the airplane.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot.
What about Aurora?
She goes. She doesn't go to sleep. It's only the two of us. We don't go to sleep. I try to fall asleep, but I just can't.
Do you have anything to say to all the other young kids who want to be a pilot?
You can be anything you want to be when you grow up. You can be anything if you want to. You can be a doctor or a fighter, or a F-16 or mamas. And big jets, little jets, airplanes like the Christian Eagle. You can be anything. You can be an F-16 that goes on missions. You can be a bomber or a gas station, a flying gas station. You can be anything. Or a fighter jet.
So what makes the airplane fly?
It has a big engine
Yeah.
to make it move, and it's a four forces of flight is thrust, lift, drag, weight.
Who taught you that?
My mom.
Yeah. So what do you tell all the people that don't believe you know how to fly?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
They don't believe you,
But I'll still believe them if they be whatever they want to be.
but they don't believe you know how to fly.
I can show them.
You want to show them
Yeah, in a video.
in the video?
Yep.
They still don't believe you.
I'll text them to them.
You what?
I'll text it to them.
You'll text it to them?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, so they can believe me.
Well, if you liked what you saw, hit the thumbs up and subscribe.